Black titanium looks pretty cool. It's a fingerprint magnet. I can already see all my fingerprints across the side. And of course, we have the new action button here, which is customizable. And the main change that we've been waiting for, the USB-C. And of course, we have bigger and larger cameras. Photos, obviously, with the new iPhone 15s, you can now record in S-Log, which is what I'm doing right now with my iPhone 15 Pro natural titanium. It's not as slippery as the other iPhones, but looks absolutely stunning. I'll be making a more in-depth review of the iPhone 15 and what I think about it after recording this in S-Log and how easy or difficult it may be for me to edit the video, but really looking forward to it. But yeah, this retails over £1,000. It's a lot of money, but I think it may be worth it for certain people, especially if you're in the videography market or the photography market. But anyway, thank you for watching. Catch you in the next video. Peace.